Happy Sunday, everyone. First one of the day. New client's just ridden from out of town with his stunning BMW R1200 RS. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets. It's not too bad a shape at all. Just wants to make sure it's properly protected for the winter ahead. So we're going to get it all cleaned, get some snow foam on it. I'm going to do a bit of machine polishing on that windscreen just to get rid of these ingrained bugs. I will clean up the edge of these discs. I'm going to put some ceramic on those wheels as their goal. I want to keep them looking their finest. The rest of it is going to get misted with XCP clear coat, making sure to keep any corrosion at bay for this winter. Polish up all the exhaust, get it looking like it should, and get it prepped and ready for the cold weather ahead. Give me a couple hours. Okay, now fully washed, decontaminated and thoroughly blow dried, making sure to remove any moisture from the switchgear. All up underneath the seat's been blow dried. I've got a couple little bits I'm going to paint. This center stand, no sense in putting any corrosion protection on a rusty center stand, so I'll get some satin black on that. A few other bits and pieces I'm going to paint, and then we're going to get the XCP clear coat out and we will mist it on every nook and cranny of this bike. I'm then going to do a single stage polish on that windscreen, and we will apply the signature 4K ceramic on the wheels, windscreen, and some of this bodywork. Just making sure to keep this bike properly protected for the winter ahead. And there you go, this BMW R1200 RS has now been fully trotted. Nice coating of XCP corrosion protection. I even did the gentleman's helmet with a bit of Signature Pro ceramic. I did put a bit of ceramic on those wheels as well as the front windscreen and all down the front. This does have PPF on it. Polished up all those exhausts best I could. More than anything, it's got a nice dose of XCP all over it. Painted the center stand as well. All done, ready for the winter ahead.